Yeezy this, Yeezy that, Yeezy everything else. Sorry hun, there's a new Kardashian in town. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now I apologise it's a little bit dark today, but England is a raining, it's a pouring, and the old man is snoring. That was awful. Anyway, so today you may have guessed is going to be part 3 of my Halloween series. Now I'm in devil ears and a Mickey Mouse jumper. I'm not sure why. I do have an autumnal pumpkin in the background. Also got an M just in case I forget how to say my own name. Maybe I'll hop that up. Sorry, just rearranging Albert. Anyway, so today's video is actually going to be one that I've been working on for a little bit of time, and that is an outfit Halloween ideas costumes video. I know so many people do these, and I thought, you know, if Misha's gonna do one, she's gonna put her own little twist on it. So this is gonna be like kind of like a basic basic BITCH Halloween outfit ideas. Personally, for me, I'm not going out on Halloween. I've said this. But if I was to go out on Halloween, I feel like nowadays, with social media being the way that it is, there is certain outfits that I would go for a non-scary Halloween look. These aren't going to be scary costumes because, I mean, I'm not a scary person. Soz, apart from when I paint myself like an avocado. That's quite scary. If you haven't seen that video, go and check out my last upload. It was interesting. But anyway, so I'm going to talk you through the 5 different outfits that I have come up with. I'm being choked by the devil. That I have come up with for the Halloween season. It's not really a season, it's a day. But anyway, these are 5 kind of iconic female people. You will have guessed by seeing the thumbnail picture of all the different outfits, but these are going to either be famous people, Instagrams, persons, that sentence made no sense, just basically, yeah, females. So first things first, I feel like this is the most obvious one, but I don't think I've seen anyone use this as a Halloween costume. So I'm going to talk you through the items that I picked up for the looks, and then future Misha is going to show you those looks complete, and I'll also pop a picture on the screen of the look that I am trying to achieve, same difference. So, the first outfit that I have in mind is to be Kylie Jenner on her birthday. We all know that that outfit blew up and everyone was making recreations of it, so I thought that is literally the easiest and most perfect Halloween outfit I've ever seen in my life. So I have this 2-piece from Rebellious Fashion, which, I mean, it literally looks exactly the same as Kylie's. Like, sorry hun, there's a new Kardashian in town. Hello. And I just think that's such a good Halloween costume. Like, I know it's not scary, but it's cool and you look sassy, and I feel like people would know who you are. Now Kylie does have some matching pink strappy heels on, so I picked these up from the ASOS sale section. They're a little bit more like demure than hers. Hers weren't a closed toe full shoe, hers are more strappy, but sorry, I don't have Kylie's wardrobe. I wanted to make sure all these pieces were very reasonably priced and available for you guys to pick them up. So if you wanted to recreate these outfits, you literally could. So yeah, these were an ASOS sale item, Rebellious Fashion co-ord. They are literally the exact same perfect pink, and I feel like I make quite a good Kylie. You're gonna have to let me know down below which one is your favourite. Okay. Next up, now if we're gonna do Kylie, I feel like it's only right to do Kim. So I was searching through the interweb of which Kim look I wanted to do, because I feel like there's so many out there, but I wanted to do one that was very different to Kylie's. So I went for a Yeezy style look. We all know she's married to Kanye West. Yeezy this, Yeezy that, Yeezy everything else. And I mean, obviously I don't have Yeezys. I'm not spending that money on a pair of trainers. But I do have my Kim Kardashian dupe outfit. Now, this is mostly from MishaG. So this little bralette is actually from a co-ord set, and it literally looks exactly like the bralette that Kim is wearing. Like, I bet she was wearing MishaG. Then we've got these, which you can tell I've tried on. Now, these are some cycling pants in this grey taupey colour, also from MishaG. She does have these like peculiar stitch lines on hers, and you could DIY that and add it, but I thought they look really similar. Who actually cares? Then, to get all the Yeezy vibes, I picked up this men's sort of like khaki bomber jacket from ASOS. I just feel like this actually looks like, it gives it the complete look. I know this is not gonna look exactly like Kim, but people get the vibes, they get what you're trying to do, it makes sense. And then we all know Kim loves a clear heel. I will never forget the pictures of her when she was pregnant and her ankles had swollen and she was wearing a clear heel like this, and it was like so I have these ones from Pretty Little Thing. They are actually really comfy, and I never thought I'd like clear heels, but I actually really like these. So yes, I am now Kim. Oh yeah, she never changed her name to Kim West. Interesting. Anyway, next up we're gonna go for one of my favourite iconic ladies, and that is Audrey Hepburn. Again, this is a very classic Halloween look, and I feel like lots of people do it, but I wanted to give it a go. So first up, I feel like you can't bring Audrey Hepburn without the sassy long black gloves. I literally got these from Amazon for like £1.50. They came next day, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then for the dress option, I literally just went for a black dress. I'm sure so many people have this in their wardrobes. It would be such an easy Halloween costume. Like, literally all you need is a black dress. And then I need to hunt down some pearls. I'm pretty sure Primark have loads of pearls, so I'll find some in my wardrobe. But I feel like that is the easiest outfit. Audrey Hepburn is the easy peasy one, and she is such an iconic lady, so I feel like everyone would know who you are going to be. Of course, you also could make these a little bit more Halloween-y if you wanted to, by adding like blood and cuts and be like a dead version. Oh, Audrey Hepburn's actually dead, that's sad. But you know what I mean. You could make these a little bit more spooky if that was your sort of thing. Now, our fourth look is another black look, and this is going to be Sandy from Greece. Again, a mega basic outfit, but it's such an easy and simple one. Of course, I am going to have the Sandy hair for this because I feel like you can't do this look without having the Sandy hair. So I just got this look from ASOS, and this is an off-the-shoulder Bardo style top, just like a slinky black one. I know that most people wear unitards, but if you actually look at the photo, she's not wearing like a one piece. It's an actual top and bottom. There is a definite seam line around the middle. And then pants wise, I actually picked these leather look leggings, I think they are. Up from Mango on ASOS, and these items were all so incredibly recently priced. So, you know, if you're looking for any last minute Halloween outfits, your gal's got your back. So, yes, these are really, really nice. The zip's a little bit awkward to do up. Kind of tempted to keep them, but they are a little bit baggy around the fanny area. So, I don't know. But also, another misconception of Sandy's outfit is that she wears black heels. Nah. This gal wears red heels. Obviously, they are not exactly the same as this, but they are pretty darn similar, and I'm in love with these shoes. This whole look is ASOS, and these shoes are on the sale, and I really want to keep them because they're adorable, but I have absolutely no reason to wear them, so I won't be, sadly. And then my final celeb is Ariana Grande. Again, a very, very obvious choice, but again, a really easy outfit. I tried to keep these quick and easy for you guys so you can so easily, I just said easily way too many times, recreate them. So for this one, you literally only need knee-high boots, I'm pretty sure everyone has a pair of knee-high boots in their wardrobe. These ones are by Raid and they're for sale on ASOS. I really like Raid knee-highs. And then I've got a grey jumper dress. Now this actually says Yeezus on it, but it's definitely not Kanye West. So I don't know where this is from. I just found it in my cupboard. So yeah, I don't know what brand this is from, but I'll just link some jumper dresses down below because I feel like that's Ariana Grande's iconic look. And of course her little hairdo, because that's just obligatory. That's the correct word. Anyway, so those are all of my looks for all of my 5 different Halloween looks for your basic BITCH looks from 5 iconic people. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and yeah, let the Halloween week continue. Have a fabulous rest of your week and an amazing weekend. Make sure this video like and subscribe, and yeah, this seems really short for me. It's really weird. So love you guys lots. Bye bye.